I've never told anyone this before, but I'm just so excited to watch the final cut of a Cinemalaya 2025 finalist on the big screen where I was casted as an Ilocano guerrilla. Ang tanong, anong Cinemalaya 2025 film na pinagbibidahan ng dalawang artistang kagagaling lang ng Cannes Film Festival? Ito ang Cinemartyrs at ang mga bidang artista ay sina Noor Husmand ng Agapito at Bong Cabrera ng Magallanes. Cinemartyrs is directed by NYU Tisch graduate and UPFI professor Sari Dalena. Recreates forgotten massacres from Philippine history, but when she begins shooting at a site where 1,000 men, women, and children were slaughtered, angry spirits are awakened and the lives of her team and the local villagers are put in peril. Ma'am Sari has directed award-winning films like Church Dogs, Little Crosses, White Funeral, Memories of a Forgotten War, Rigodon, Kaoryang, Guerrera, Himala Ngayon, Ishma, The Guerrillas, a Poet, Ang Kababaihan ng Malolos, Daling Nick, History of the Underground, and Jamming on an Old Saya. The film is one of the 10 official full-length entries in the 21st Cinemalaya Philippine Independent Film Festival set to run this October 3 at Red Carpet Cinemas, Shangri-La, EDSA. The film features Angel Aquino, Love Diaz, Kidlat Tahimik, Cedric Juan, Victor Medina, Dax Alejandro, Laila Ulaw, Rob Round, Alan Salazar, Andre Miguel, and many more. Special thanks to directors Neil Daza, Keith Sikat, Kiri Dalena, Sir Tom Leon Imao, Christine Quintana, and Hai Balbuena.